Good day, Nigerians. My name is Bob Freecake. And the story when dey for inside we country today, now carry come give una today so. I is coming back. Make una wait. Alright, my people, I don't come back again today to come give una the story when dey for inside with Obodo, Nigeria. The Minister of Education of Yola State, Mala Adamu, he don't come outside and come cry, or they cry like pussycat, say, say most Nigerian graduates don't sabi read or write. As they talk this matter so, now one man when be say name na Jello Wense for inside those states, come tell and say, Oga door, sit down there, not talk that thing no, not talk that thing no. If you want to say Nigerian graduates don't sabi read or write, say na for not, now that kind of thing they happen no. Say no, but not before all the whole states when they for Nigeria here. You come tell and say, come number one. If you want to say Nigeria graduates don't sabi read or write, you say that those people now for Aso Rock now they fool. You say, oh, the House of Assembly, Senator, Gbogbo, all the posts when they for inside that Aso Rock there. No one went sabi write for inside at all. You say if they put them for that post when they do so, na person they write for them. When person go come write for them, they will come outside, they will come read them. That's why she said when I do the budget, they'll say the budget of 2019 is now so you see that's why I say some of them, if they call them for interview, when it is the shell for inside we will do Nigeria, if they call them for interview, say wanna come address this issue, they will wait for their writers, make their writers write and finish. If they don't write and finish, they will begin to teach them for like 1 week set before they will come outside for television, come begin to read them out too. You say if you talk say Nigeria graduate don't sabi read and write, you say na for inside Aso Rock, especially not and Aso Rock, and that kind of thing they happen. Make you not talk say Nigeria graduate, if you talk say graduate when they see for not, and people when they employ, when they vote for, most of them don't sabi read and write. After that man don't talk this matter, now another man when be say his name na Aitafu, constituent and say your guy shut up your mouth there, don't talk that thing. You say no be say you even come out and now come talk say Nigerians graduates now don't plenty o, they don't get work to do, they don't get work to do as a minister of education. Maybe you begin to cry and make people go to say yeah, this one they cry better cry, this one they cry better cry. You can't come out and come to say Nigeria graduates don't sabi read and write. They don't sabi read and write. Now wetin make they don't get work for inside we do Nigeria. They don't sabi read and write. Now wetin make they don't get work for inside we do Nigeria. People will finish school. Person will finish school, you go school finish, we go graduate to. Now we don't chop him money. You go tell the meter chop him money, you go pay to federal government account. When I don't chop him money finish, you will come graduate. You will look for work. Now so you go sweat like nobody, like all those Fulani when they use car, when they control car. You could have Fulani dress yourself will come better pass person will just graduate for inside we will do Nigeria here. You can come out and content and say, see this thing when they talk say Nigeria graduates not sabi read or write. May you notice na Nigeria graduate you dey degree so. You say na shame to this country when we do this Obodo Nigeria. Say na shame to this Obodo Nigeria. Say somebody graduate for this Obodo Nigeria, you know sabi read or write. Nobody dey graduate for United States of America school or London or France or Germany when be say no go fit read and write, you know dey. For other country, some government school for other country dey better pass private school. They do competition. You will see some private school go good, some government school go good pass. Say but for Obodo Nigeria when we dey so, you know if you see go government school when we say you carry come and say yes, now this Yogbe college now better pass private school, one private school like that. You know they all the government school when we dey for inside Obodo Nigeria here, even poultry sef whether they trade fowl or whether they trade goat sef even better pass. Take for example, if you dey waka for road now, maybe you dey travel out, you go come see one bush, you come put na say University of for example University of Desmond. The school fit dey about 3 kilometers for inside bush o, but the junction like this come reach where that school dey, you go see the entire road as they still maintain and fine go. But if na government university, you go see government for example na government university or government secondary school, e dey for inside bush, but the road to that place na so e go be like road wey be say na rabbit na dig am. The motor sef go dey enter gallop kpuku before you go even reach there sef, they go don rub your school fees, rub you finish. That's why I say this country when we dey so people when they say they suppose wetin the people suppose talk, they don't really come outside and talk am. This man Adamu, people don't warn you. Say if you no fit talk as a minister of education, if you know say you no get wetin you go talk, go sit down. Because we even come outside and talk say people when they go school finish, they no get work o. and next year now some wan still graduate, how they go do? They don dey plenty too much o, they don dey permit too much o. If na wetin you talk come outside now for inside this country now, people go come outside say yes. You no come outside now say somebody don graduate for obodo Nigeria, you no fit read, alright. But na dey for Aso Rock there, they go dey write give una, una go come dey read am for television. After una come see material talk. Alright my people, na wetin dey for inside news today. Na me when the Bob Freakick carry come give una today so. And before I go, make I remind una, COVID-19 when we dey call coronavirus na real. Abeg if you dey go any eatery or where in supermarket, anywhere market or anywhere when you dey go, if the security when dey tell you say bros or sister wash your hand, wear your face mask, make you no follow and fight. Na for your safety and for the people wey be say you wan go meet for inside. Even though say you dey believe am for your mind say no, you no get COVID-19, you no go wear face mask, you no go wear. The people when you wan go meet for inside, you no know whether they don get am, or the people wey don enter before comot, you no know whether they don get am. Abeg my brothers and sisters, anywhere when you dey go, make you try to dey wear your face mask, wash your hand and sanitize yourself. Make you no forget to share this video so that it will reach other people when they say they no fit rent still watch am. Make una rent still get better day. My name na Bob Freakick. Na bye bye.